Hello everyone, so let's start. So here I show you how to use the Perplexity, but here I show you the particular about the traveling area. Okay, so how you search about the traveling. Okay, so I just keep cursor over here in the left hand side bar, and you can see when you keep cursor here, you see here the three options: the finance, travel, and academic. So just click on the travel, and here you can search about the traveling. Okay. You see here, there are three tabs here available: explore, trending destinations, and inspirations. Okay. Now you are here the explore, and second is a trending destination, then inspirations. Okay. So here the already showing the some destination where you just click on and get the details all the destination. You can see just drag below and see over here. Okay. And here have a key option. The first is a search. You can search the fast answer to everyday question. If you enable the pro, and you can the 3x more sources with the powerful models, and the increase the limits also unlimited access for subscribers. Okay, you if you subscribe, if you upgrade it, I already upgrade my accounts. Okay, and the second option here, research. You can deep research on any topics. Okay, pro enable in-depth reports with the more sources, charts, and advanced reasoning. Okay, and the third option is the labs. Okay, create the project from the scratch, enable to turn your ideas into completed docs, slides, and dashboards and more. Okay, you can create your ideas in the docs also. You create a dashboards and slides here. And here you can see the one more option, the attach. When I click on the attach, there are two options: local files and connect files. Okay, local files, you can upload the files from your laptop. Okay, if you have a details of the travels. Okay, if you have a list of travels name, you can just upload and enter the prompt to give me all details of the travel with the this budget. Okay, so this way you can use this option. And second is a connect file. You can upload the file from the Google Drive and Dropbox. Okay. So these are the some options available for you. You can see here the one arrow also showing. When you click on it, you can see others locations also here, other cities. You simply enter and you can check all details about the destination. And here I show you one thing. When you click on the here to search anything, you can see the already some prompt here showing. I just drag you, I show you here the best places to visit in 2025 summer and others. You can see if you want to search anything in this, you just simply click on it and enters, and you can get the all details as accordingly. Okay, so here I have a some prompt already I written here in notepad. You can see the first one is what are the best areas and hotels, okay, to stay in the Dubai for solo travels and family. So I just copy this, okay, and paste here. Simply paste here and click on this submit, and see here the all details showing. Wait for the full few seconds, and the Perplexity AI showing you all detail as per your questions. Okay, obviously. And here you can see the Perplexity showing the four tabs. First is answers, second is images, third is the sources, and fourth is the steps. Okay, and so you can see there's some articles also showing here. When you click on it, you can see the all details. Okay, and there are some photos and details downtown Dubai's. Okay, Dubai is ideal for the both solo travels and family, placing within the walking distance and major attraction like that's etc etc. Okay, so these are the some details and areas and hotels to stay showing here. A related question also you can see here. What are the top neighborhoods for families and friendly hotels in Dubai? You can simply click on and you get all details. The suggested question also showing here the Perplexity. Okay, if you want to add, just click on that and you get all details as accordingly. Okay, when I click on image, see the all image of the Dubai. Okay, and when you click on the source, the sources here showing the AI capture the data from these sources. Okay, these are the blogs, these are the site website. Total 30 sources is, so these are the all the website. AI capture that all details. Okay. And the AI get this all your questions answers. So the first is identify the ideal areas and hotels in the Dubai suitable for the both solo trip travels and familiars. Okay, families. So this is searching reading sources, what are the read, AI what read, exploring popular neighborhoods. Okay, reading sources. See. So this way the perplexity giving you answer. Okay, I will select here the one more prompt. Okay, so what are the must try local foods in Dubai and where can I find them? I just copy this. Let's see and paste here. Mhm. Wait for the few seconds. So you can see the all details, photos, also showing the foods photos. Okay. See here with the location also showing here. See here. Okay. You can easily check and with the showing the related questions you can ask if you want to ask more question. Okay, this is a way you just enter the prompt and you get the details about the traveling. Okay, and here you can see there are one option showing choose some model. I just click on it. Okay, there are some models also open of the AI you can choose here. Okay, if you want to choose the GPT 4.1, if you want to search through the GPT 4.1 Gemini, if you want to search to the Gemini, Sonar, these are the some AI tools you can use for the search. Okay, dictation. You can use your voice also dictations. Okay, just click on the voice and just allow while visiting the sites. Now you can just enter using your voice. Okay, see here all the captures thing. Okay, and that's it. So this is the way you can use the prompt. If you want all this prompt, I have a 10 prompt, okay, about the travel. I show you. Okay. So these are the some prompt I already created. If you want, I give you your in description. Please comment me if you want it. Okay, I will paste there. So thank you so much. If you like this video, please subscribe and comment me if you want the prompt about the travel. Thank you so much.